Hello, this is Ms. Horgan, and this is number 8 from your algebra review. What is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? Well, I put the slope-intercept form here that you can find on your star chart. We've also completed 6 and 7. 6 was our slope, so we have our slope. 7, we put it in point slope, and I did it with using both points, so you can get two different ways that you could get it in point slope. Now, if I use the coordinate or the ordered pair 6, 0, it's a little simpler looking, and it almost looks like slope-intercept form, except for the parentheses. So why don't we go ahead and pull this down and go from using this. Okay, so we already have it almost in y equals mx plus b. What do we need to do to get it there? We need, grab the pen here. We need to do distributive property. I need a skinny pen here. Okay. And so we're going to do -5 thirds. So y equals -5 thirds times x would just be -5 thirds x. And then a negative times a negative would give me a positive. And I'm doing 5 thirds times -5 thirds times -6. Okay. Lots of ways you could do this. You could multiply straight across. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. You can put it in your calculator. You could cross simplify even. So I'm thinking -5 times -6 is 30 over 3. Let's simplify to 10. That's how I'm getting a y-intercept of 10. So we were able to get it very quickly from having the point slope form up here. Now let's go ahead and do it from the other point slope form in case you did it that way. Okay, so I've got it ready to work from if you use the points 3, 5 instead of 6, 0. So let's take this. Whoops. I'm going to take this, and we're going to work from there. And you can see that it'll work out fine. So we still need to do distributive property. So we're going to do -5 thirds times x, -5 thirds x, and then -5 thirds times -3. So -3 over 1. So this would be -5 times -3, which is 15 over 3 times 1 is 3. Sorry about this crowding. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that would be a positive 5. Now we come over here and we're going to keep going. 5y minus 5. Okay, and so now all we have to do is plus 5, additive inverse, because we want to get rid of the -5. And whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side. So plus 5 over here. And so -5 plus 5 cancels out. So y equals -5 thirds x. Whoops. Listening to myself and trying to write the correct thing. Okay. So -5 thirds x. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have the same exact answer. So it doesn't matter which point you use, you're going to get, if you work it right, you're going to get the same answer as if you were going to work it on the other point.